When completing a smart wheel repair on a diamond cut wheel, the most important steps in the process are preparing the wheel, which you may have seen in our previous videos, and the really exciting bit, which is cutting the wheel in a lathe. And that's what we're about to look at in this video. With the Windows operating system and bespoke software, this machine allows you to complete multiple cuts at the touch of just one button. This gives you the chance to complete other tasks at the same time, such as preparing another wheel or removing a tyre, saving you time and money. So, now the most important bit, what's the finish like? As you can see, the results are fantastic, just what you'll be looking for. And this is the best finish you'll achieve with any machine on the market today. So, no need to strip the wheel and repaint it. Just Aqua blast, cut, lacquer, and back on the car. Quick, easy, and profitable.